Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another huge collective haul for you guys. I have so many things to show you and all of them will be linked in the description box as always, so you guys can shop these items. I just got so much stuff and I'm really excited to show you guys all the things that I have bought the past couple of weeks. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So it isn't one of my shopping spree hauls if I don't mention my favorite fragrance company in the whole world, Dossier. Thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. I love working with them. They are amazing. So if you guys don't know what Dossier is, they are a fragrance website that replicates designer inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost. They also have free 30-day returns. So if you order a fragrance and you decide you don't like it, you can ship it back free of charge. It's awesome. I love that because buying fragrances online can be really annoying if you aren't sure you're gonna like it or not, if you've never tried the fragrance. So I love that about them. They make it super easy and they're also super affordable. They have so many brands, so many designers, and so many fragrances to choose from on their website. They are absolutely unreal. They kill it every single time. It's crazy how good they are at replicating the designer fragrances. It's insane. I have a discount code for you guys. It's Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off your order. If you guys are interested, I'll have it in the description box along with a link to shop their website. They also have a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. You can select Catch at the last step of checkout to earn a $10 sign-on bonus. You can also get rewarded with 10% store credit on every order. So let's see the two fragrances that I got this month. So this first one is called Floral Marshmallow, and it's from by Killian Love Don't Be Shy EDP. I think I actually have this one, so I'm probably gonna gift it to a friend. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this smells heavenly. It's sweet, so if you don't like sweet fragrances, this one might not be for you, but it really just smells like yummy. I don't know how to describe it. It's not too overpowering though, so I do like that. Oh my gosh. Wait, I actually really like this. I drown myself in Dossier because it's so affordable. It's not like I'm spending $200 on a perfume and then spray it everywhere. And this next one is Floralaldehydes, and this is inspired by Chanel No. 5 EDP. I'm really excited. I don't think I've ever even smelled Chanel No. 5, which is crazy because I love Chanel fragrances. Ooh, I really like it. It's very mature and sophisticated, but not too sophisticated, you know? Okay, I really like that one. Wow, they kill it. These smell so good and so strong. Those are the two that I have to show you for this month. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description box for you guys to shop their website. Please check them out. You will not regret it. Also, don't forget to use my discount code Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off your order. Thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video, and let's get into the rest of the haul. Okay, I decided to turn my lights down in the background because I think it was making the lighting weird, so we're back, baby. We're gonna start off with some random packages. So this first one is from Nordstrom, but I got something from Skims. So I don't even know what this is called. Wait, bodysuit brief with snaps or something. It's the one that went viral on TikTok. I'm sure everybody's seen it at this point, but I got my hands on it on Nordstrom. But really funny story. I wore this weekend and didn't even realize that they sent me the wrong size. So I ordered this in a small medium, even though I wanted to get it in the extra small size. But I think they were sold out, so I had to do a small medium in this color because it was the only one available in my size. But anyways, I wore it this weekend. I was impressed with it, but not oh my gosh, I feel super snatched. Well, when I was washing it, I saw the tag and it says large, extra large. So they sent me the wrong size. It's fine. I mean, it is what it is at this point. Nothing I can do about it. I already wore it. See, look, it says small, medium on the packaging, but on the tag, it literally says, or not on the tag, on the inside, it says large, extra large. So I don't know what's up with that, but that's just a funny story. Had to share it with you guys. But it didn't necessarily feel like a large, extra large. I still felt sucked in, but so I don't know if that was just a misprint on the tag or if it actually is a large, extra large. But yeah, I really like it. If I can find a picture, I'll throw up a picture. If not, I know you guys have probably already seen it, but I got it in this taupey brown color, but I want to get it in my normal size in black. Hopefully it'll come back in stock. All right, next up from Revolve, I have 2 items. This first one is this long sleeve super crop top. It reminds me a lot of the Becca long sleeve crop tops from Princess Polly that I'm obsessed with. This one's from the brand Majorelle. I have a lot from this brand. I love Majorelle, but it's this tan color, which I honestly hate the color. I'm not gonna lie. I hate the color. It looks awful on me, but God, there's something in my eye. Okay, I don't know what that was, but anyways, I hate this color, but I love the top. It's super cute, super flattering. I wore this out a couple weekends ago and I liked it. Not much to say. There's not much fabric, but it's like a knit material, I would say. I like it. I just wish it would come out in more colors because this color I'm not a fan of, but I really want to try the top. So I like it, but I don't know. I feel like it washes me out a little bit, but it's cute. So lastly from Revolve, I mentioned these in my pack with me video that I did when I was going to Charleston, South Carolina. These are from Jeffrey Campbell, and these are, I don't even know the name of them. I'll have them linked down below, but they're these heels, obviously, and they lace up your leg, and they're super, super cute. They're super flattering, if shoes can even be flattering. These are, but I got them in white and they're a little bit of a platform. They're like a 5-inch heel, I believe, and I really like them. I actually didn't wear these on my trip because I can't remember why. I think I just wore a different pair. I've yet to wear these, but I have my brother's wedding this month, so I think I'm gonna wear these to the rehearsal dinner and the whatever. I'll find a time to wear these, but I really, really like them. They're super cute. I will say for those heels to size up a half size at least, maybe even a full size, because I'm normally a true 7 and I saw in the reviews to size up a half size and they barely fit. Like they felt like 6.5s on me. So I would say at least do a half size up for sure. So next up from Free People, I got these 2 skirts. I also mentioned these and tried them on in my pack with me video, but if you guys didn't see that, go check it out, see what these look like on me. I'll throw out pictures. I think I only have 1 picture from when I was in Charleston, but these skirts are so, so cute. This one's my favorite because it's in a size 0 and it fits me a little bit better. Like it fits me tighter and shorter. This one's in a 2, so it's not as like mini skirt vibe. Well, it's still like a mini skirt, but it's not like as form-fitting. So I do prefer this one. But so they're basically shorts, but it looks like a skirt. So I really, really like these. They go with everything. I have it in black as well. I think I showed that already in a haul, so I'm not gonna mention it again, but go run and get these. Like, they're so cute. So next up from White Fox Boutique, I got 2 things. And okay, this top. I've mentioned this in several hauls. I have it in black and I also have it in white, and now I have it in brown. But I mentioned that I got those in an extra small and it's really tight in the like arms. Like I never have ever had that problem before, but it's like the sleeve or the tank top part is really short, so it like digs into my like arm, but it's really flattering in like the chest area and stuff. So I didn't want to size up to a small, but I decided just to do it, see how it looks. Haven't tried it on yet, but I wanted to get another top like this because I'm obsessed. But I got this one in brown, so yeah, she's cute. These are so stinging flattering. Like I said, if I have a picture of it, I'll throw it up on the screen, but I just got the same top in a different color and in a different size. But I think this part is what makes it so flattering. Like it just pushes your girls together and it's hot. Also, I got these sunglasses. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but they're from the brand Vue. I don't know, never heard of them, but I don't know how I like them. I actually don't like them. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. I'm just not sure. I'm not sure how I feel, but yeah, they looked really stinking cool. Like I really liked the shape. It's kind of like an aviator, but not. So yeah, I got those. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I'm not super obsessed with them, but maybe I'll look back at this footage and be like, oh my gosh, I really like them. Or maybe I'll be like, I actually freaking hate those. We'll do Lululemon. I know you guys probably want to see that. Haven't even opened this. You guys are getting a sneak peek into my next haul because I haven't showed this stuff in a video yet. But first thing is first, I got another Flow Y bra. It's It's literally what I'm wearing right now, except I just got it in white in a size 6. These are the best bras to ever exist. I wear them every day. Literally every day, either to bed or lounging around the house, or usually I'll wear them under clothes, like under a sweatshirt, under a little jacket. I wear them all the time. I also got another cropped Define jacket, I think is what it's called. Yeah, the Nulu cropped Define jacket. I got this one in Wild Mint, and she is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. So I'm gonna try this on in my next dedicated Lululemon haul. I'll try both of these on, so be looking forward to that because I'm sure that'll be coming soon, so stay tuned. All right, next up from Urban Outfitters, I have two orders. So actually, I'm just gonna show both simultaneously because I got 3 of the same shirt. Literally 3. These are I don't even know what these are called at this point. They're from their Out From Under line, but I'm obsessed with these tops. If you know, you know. I have it in pink, blue, green, white, and brown. Like literally, I have it in 5 colors already. So what's 3 more? So I got it in purple, and I get these in an extra small. This is literally probably my favorite one. And they also came out with like a lime green one, but I couldn't snag it in time. So yeah, I got it in purple. I also got it in this like burgundy color for the fall. And then I got this teal one that I actually wore the other day. But these are so flattering. I'm obsessed. Like I said, if I can find a picture. I think I showed pictures in my last collective haul of me wearing these because I got a couple in that video. So yeah, I had to get 3 more. And then I also got another item that I have a lot in. These are the like little Out From Under tank tops. They came out with a new shade and it's called Middleton Pink. And so I snagged it, but I had to get this in a medium because they were sold out of the smalls. So hopefully it'll fit. I'll let you guys know, but I just love these tanks for everyday wear. They're super cute. Last but not least, from Sephora. This stuff I actually got in Charleston, so we'll start with that. So first thing that I got is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. And I have this already, but not in this colorway or like this shade. I couldn't even tell you which shade this is in, but I'll have it linked down below. I've already used this and I really like the colors. These are more like brown-ish shades, whereas my other Major Dimension eyeshadow palette is more like pinky rosy tones. So I got this. I also got the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. I know you guys have heard of this. I have lash extensions, so you're probably thinking, what the heck, Tori? Let me explain. I wanted to use this for my bottom lashes because, I don't know. I actually don't even know how to explain myself on this one. Like, do people even do that on their bottom lashes? But I need to be like really careful that I don't get it in my eye. So I'll let you guys know how it works. I just like the look of like long lashes on the bottom. I don't know. Maybe it'll be a bad idea, but I'm gonna try it out. I also got a beauty blender in the like papaya shade, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it's insanely dirty because I've been using it the past week. But yeah, got a beauty blender. Okay, I also got the Maracuja Juicy Lip oil thing from Tarte in the shade Rose. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. I think it was like sold out online, but when I was in Charleston, my friend Taylor was wearing this and she was putting it on. I was like, oh my gosh, like what is that? And she told me it was this and I was like, okay, yeah, I'm buying it. So yeah, I decided to buy it while we were there, but I would put it on, but I literally can't because I have lipstick on. But I also got my hands on the Fenty Beauty Poutsicle Hydrating Lip Stain. This went viral on TikTok and sold out so fast. This one's in the shade My Type, like my type, but it's like a bright pink. And you're supposed to like put it on your lips, let it sit for a little bit, and then wipe it off. And it's like a beautiful, like natural, well, I mean, it's not really natural, but it's kind of like the lip blushing that people are doing where they're getting their lips like permanently colored. I don't know, it kind of gives off that vibe, but I like it. I haven't used it like a ton, but it is very bright at first. But then once you wipe it off, it's very natural looking, so I like it. I think it's sold out. I'll try and find it for you guys. I also got the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Moonstone. I also have another one to show you guys in the next order, but it's just like a little eyeshadow stick and it will not come off. Like I literally will try to get this off my hand after I'm done filming this video and it won't come off because It's happened before. When I swatched it in store, it would not come off. And then last thing in this bag, I just got another set of my sleep scrunchies, or is that what it's called? Yeah, I just got like the black, gold, and polka dotted one or whatever. I don't know. That's all for that order. Okay, so in this box, I have another Bobbi Brown cream shadow stick. This one's in gold amber, I think. Yeah, gold and amber. So those are the two they look like together. But you literally, like I said, you just put on your eye and it's supposed to be like super easy. And I love super easy because I'm really lazy when it comes to makeup. So this is right up my alley. So I also got the Kosas Cloud Set in the shade Feathery, which is light medium. But this is the best powder ever. If you don't like to look matte, it leaves you like pretty dewy still. And I just use like a Beauty Blender puff sponge thing for under the eyes, and girl, I love this stuff. It is my favorite powder ever. Last but not least, well, actually I have the Makeup by Mario the new skin enhancer and skin perfector thing, but I actually already showed that in my pack with me video, so I'm not gonna like re-show it, but I got both of those. Anyways, so I got the Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow. I don't know why I'm on an eyeshadow kick for somebody who doesn't even wear eyeshadow. But I actually wore this in Charleston and it was super pretty. I hope you guys can see it. But I saw this on TikTok and that's what made me get it. Yeah, it's super cute and tiny and it looks really, really pretty on the eyes. So guys, that is it for today's huge collective / shopping spree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, click that bell, upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Dossier's website. I'll have a link in the description box, and use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.